AutoResearch.pro. AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently. In this video, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about AutoResearch.pro AI, the best just-released software that could change the way you approach research and digital marketing. Stick around until the end because I'll also give you access to a special free trial link for this software and a recommendation of other AI tools I've tried and tested. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. So, what is AutoResearch.pro AI? It's a powerful AI tool designed to make your research process faster, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're a marketer, a researcher, or a business owner, this software offers features that can significantly streamline how you gather and analyze data, all in just a few clicks. The first thing you'll notice with AutoResearch.pro is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, this software makes it easy to start right away. It eliminates the need for manual research, saving you countless hours of tedious work. It allows you to input keywords or topics, and the AI will instantly gather the most relevant, up-to-date information from multiple sources across the web. Whether you're doing market research, competitive analysis, or content planning, AutoResearch.pro is going to save you time and effort. Next, the AI-driven content recommendations are a game changer. The software doesn't just gather raw data, it analyzes it and suggests actionable insights based on your specific needs. For instance, if you're working on a marketing campaign or creating content, it'll not only provide you with relevant data, but also suggest the best ways to leverage it. This feature will help you make smarter data-backed decisions without sifting through endless reports. Another standout feature is the custom research templates. These templates allow you to tailor the research process to your exact specifications. You can set filters, prioritize certain sources, and define the exact type of information you're looking for, making it easier to find exactly what you need without wasting time. Whether you're focused on market trends or competitor strategies, you can set up a workflow that fits your objectives. Let's talk about speed. AutoResearch.pro is lightning fast. Traditional research methods can take hours or even days to compile useful information. With AutoResearch.pro, you're getting instant results. This speed factor is invaluable, especially when you're working under tight deadlines or need to gather information quickly to make important decisions. It truly accelerates the process and makes your workflow more efficient. In terms of versatility, this software works for a wide range of industries. Whether you're in digital marketing, e-commerce, finance, or even academic research, AutoResearch.pro is adaptable to your needs. It's designed to scale with you as your business or project grows, so no matter how complex your needs get, this software has the flexibility to keep up. On the security side, AutoResearch.pro ensures your data is protected. It uses top-tier encryption and privacy features to guarantee your research and insights are safe. This is especially important when you're dealing with sensitive business data, client information, or proprietary research. Finally, AutoResearch.pro offers an unbeatable free trial. If you're skeptical about diving into a new tool, you can test it out risk-free. Click the first link below to start your trial and see if this software meets your needs. This is the perfect opportunity to try it without any commitments, and you can see firsthand how it fits into your workflow. In conclusion, AutoResearch.pro AI is an impressive software that combines speed, efficiency, and advanced features to revolutionize your research process. If you're serious about improving your productivity and staying ahead of the competition, this is a tool you need to check out. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial linked below and start exploring AutoResearch.pro for yourself. And if you're still unsure about the best AI tools for your business, I've included my personal recommendations in the description. After having tested thousands of AI software solutions, you'll find the best ones that are proven to boost your productivity, streamline your processes, and help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the link below to start your free trial of AutoResearch.pro AI.